Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be introducing you to a new playlist, the Pamper playlist, where I'll be taking you to different places where they offer beauty services. And today we are at VLCC. Come with me.
Hi,
I'm Tori.
Okay, fine. I'm Margaret. I'm a senior therapist at VLCC.
Okay.
Please welcome, and then I can take you through so that you know what to do next.
Thank you. Okay, what's that you're using?
This is a VLCC cleansing milk. It's very mild. It's for like any skin type. We can do this. It doesn't react at all. So I just need to cleanse a few patches of your face so that I can able to do the analysis.
So when you look at this, what's my skin type?
Your skin is oily.
Oily.
Yeah, oily. So even if you're buying a product, you have to buy a product that's based for oily skin. Regulate, rebalance oily skin for fresh clarity, because you see like her skin is oily, so you need something that can help to balance the oiliness in the skin. VLCC cleansing milk to cleanse her face, and after that, now when I start the treatment, just a few drops.
Oh my god, my skin feels amazing, and this is just the beginning to my skincare routine, and I'm super excited. I came here not knowing my skin type, and now I do. So Maggie, give us the plug. Where can you find VLCC?
VLCC is on Wayaki Way off Mudangari Drive. As you start entering Mudangari Drive, the billboards are in orange. It will be on your left. Just enter with that road, you see VLCC billboards. You're welcome, and in case of any question, you can also find us on the internet, and you can inquire more about VLCC.
There you have it. I'll leave all the memo in the description box. See you. Bye.